Hi everyone, I've just noticed that a few of you are having a little trouble uploading an image so that everyone can see it. So you're uploading it and it's becoming a JPEG, which then you have to click on and then download. Whereas there is a way in Canvas to actually upload your photos so that everyone can see it, so no downloads are needed. So say for example you're responding to my welcome post, you would click on reply. And then you might say, I don't know, hi Beck, lovely to meet you. Here is a pic my daughter did today. Now, instead of pressing attach here, what you do is you scroll up to the very top, and here you can see links, files, images. If you click on images, you'll come up with these. You go to choose file, then you go to where you need to get your photo from. So let's say, for example, it's a photo of my daughter's caravan. Press open. Now it says, for whatever reason, it doesn't let you upload without giving some alternative text. Now here, I just put in anything. So you might go A, B, C, and then it lets you upload. Press upload, and then it gets embedded into your post. And then you hit post reply, and there you have it. Lovely to meet you. Here's a pic my daughter did today, and everyone can see your image. So that's just a little Canvas tip for you all. Hopefully you found it useful. And I look forward to seeing you all embedding some of your own images.